chicken fried steak, or I want Chipotle maple chicken, or this one, Shorner Bob fried flounder. And look at this one. Maybe. Yeah, thank you. Thank you, good sir. I'm copy my son. Thank you, good sir. So delicious.
You know what you want?
I know what I want. Okay. Could I get a chicken fried steak? You guys are hurrying me. So here.
I'll get chicken Alfredo.
So we're in a hurry, you know. We have things to do in life. Just kidding.
Alright. I'll get chicken Alfredo pasta. I'll get macaroni and cheese and French fries.
Okay, can I get the chicken fried steak? Full size. And also the, what do you call that? The gravy, put it in the side, please. Brown, please. And I like a garlic mashed potato. Is that 2 and 3? 2 and 3? Entree? Yeah? Oh.
No, she's doing it.
Okay. Okay, could I get corn, please? And that'll be it for me. Thank you so much.
I'll take the chicken fried steak, the full. With the garlic mashed potatoes.
It's really good.
Potato cheese soup bowl.
Tatong fudge, guys. Ang buhay ni ate niyo. Ano ang ginawa kundi kumain sa restaurant. Kaya tumataba.
Gravy's on the side, right? Yes. Okay, let me take that real quick then.
Thank you. Sarap, sarap, sarap.
Did I get the Shiner Box fried flounder? Which one might be? I don't know.
So, Daddy, you have the same thing as mine?
Yeah.
What about you two? Oh, that looks really delicious.
Oh, all this cheese is mine.
What about yours, Magnus? Oh, that's the one I want.
It all came together. I tried ripping it
Is
apart.
that chicken?
You tried very hard.
My goodness,
flounder.
Magnus, that looks like this flounder. Whoa, that looks really good. I mean, your daddy has good food. What is that one?
Potato soup.
Potato soup.
Potato cheese.
Potato cheese.
Thank you.
My goodness. And I have chicken fried steak. This is what I have. So good, delicious. Son has a pasta.
I'm good right now.
And then Magnus has a flounder. Daddy has the same as mine. Except his is potato soup with cheese. And I think that has bacon on it.
Potato and cheese soup.
Yeah, Maricel, that's how you make it, okay? I had to show you how to do it though. Okay? Told them to learn to cook this stuff. She says she's gonna open a American restaurant in the Philippines and she's gonna start small. So I was like, yeah, make potato with cheese and all that stuff. Especially the American base is back. So this is gonna be good in her little restaurant. I have to show her how to make ranch. I'm sure she can do that. We have all this planning.